Mount Adams, a majestic volcano in Washington. Mount Adams, located in the Cascade Range of Washington State, stands as the second highest peak in the state, reaching an elevation of 12,281 feet. This majestic stratovolcano is not only a prominent feature of the Pacific Northwest's landscape but also a significant site for outdoor recreation, cultural history, and environmental study. Mount Adams is part of the Cascade volcanic arc, which is a segment of the larger Pacific Ring of Fire. The mountain formed through volcanic activity over a span of hundreds of thousands of years, with its most recent major eruption occurring in 1980. The volcanic history of Mount Adams is complex, characterized by various eruptions that contributed to its current form, including the development of the glacier-covered summit and the expansive lava flows that radiate outward. The mountain's geology is primarily composed of andesite, a volcanic rock that indicates its explosive past. The presence of glaciers on its summit, such as the Adams Glacier, adds to the mountain's allure and plays a crucial role in the local ecosystem. The diverse ecosystems around Mount Adams are home to a wide variety of flora and fauna. The lower slopes are covered with dense forests of Douglas fir, western hemlock, and cedar, transitioning into alpine meadows as the elevation increases. The mountain's unique geography creates microclimates that support different plant communities, including wildflowers that bloom in the summer months. Wildlife in the area includes black bears, elk, deer, and various bird species, making it a prime location for wildlife enthusiasts. The region also serves as a critical habitat for certain species, highlighting the importance of conservation efforts to protect these ecosystems. Mount Adams is a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a range of activities year-round. Hiking, climbing, skiing, and snowboarding are some of the most favored pursuits. The most popular route to the summit is the South Route, which is accessible from the Mount Adams Wilderness area. This trail presents climbers with a challenging ascent that requires physical fitness and proper gear, especially as conditions can change rapidly. The stunning views from the summit, which include glimpses of Mount Rainier and the expansive landscapes of the Cascades, reward those who make the trek. For those who prefer a less strenuous experience, several hiking trails around the mountain offer breathtaking views and the chance to explore the diverse ecosystems. Trails such as the Bird Creek Meadows Trail and the Trail of the Shadows provide opportunities for both day hikes and overnight camping. In the winter months, Mount Adams transforms into a playground for snow sports enthusiasts. The snow-covered slopes attract skiers and snowboarders, while the area also offers opportunities for snowshoeing and cross-country skiing. The mountain's extensive terrain provides both beginners and experienced adventurers with diverse options. Mount Adams holds significant cultural importance for several Native American tribes in the region, including the Yakama Nation. The mountain is often referred to as Pato or Kanetao, which translates to the place of the spirit. For these communities, Mount Adams is not just a geographical feature, but a sacred site imbued with spiritual significance. The cultural practices and traditions of the Native American tribes are deeply connected to the mountain and its surrounding landscapes. Stories and legends associated with Mount Adams are passed down through generations, reflecting the relationship between the people and the land. As outdoor recreation increases, so do the challenges related to conservation and environmental management. The Mount Adams area is part of the Gifted-Pinchot National Forest, which is managed by the U.S. Forest Service. This organization works to balance the needs of recreation with the preservation of natural resources. Issues such as littering, trail erosion, and wildlife disturbances are ongoing concerns. Conservation efforts focus on educating visitors about leave no trace principles, promoting responsible outdoor practices, and protecting the fragile ecosystems that thrive in the area. Mount Adams is more than just a towering peak in Washington state. It is a site of geological wonder, ecological diversity, cultural heritage, and recreational adventure. Whether you are an avid climber, a nature enthusiast, or someone looking to connect with the rich history of the region, Mount Adams offers a unique and enriching experience. The mountain's beauty and significance will continue to draw visitors from around the world, inviting them to explore its trails, admire its vistas, and appreciate the natural splendor that defines the Pacific Northwest. As we engage with this majestic environment, it is crucial to remember the importance of stewardship and conservation, ensuring that Mount Adams remains a treasured destination for generations to come.